Good
Yeah.
afternoon. How are you today? I am in the school right now. Okay, how are you today, Kate? You're okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Okay, so today let us have unit 3. I will let us talk, unit 2, let us talk about animals. Animals. Okay, what is your favorite animal?
Mine is hamster and no, it's
Hamster and what?
hamster and cat.
Cat. Okay. What is your most favorite color of the cat?
Yeah.
What is your most favorite color of the cat?
Okay.
Favorite color of the cat. Its
Is
color
white and
white.
white.
Okay, what else?
Um, and 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 orange.
Orange. Okay. Now, so we have here the different animals. Can you give me, okay, give me 10. 10 animals, right? 10 animals in the box. 10 only, huh? Teacher is asking 10 animals. You write inside the box. Okay? In the box, huh? You write 10 animals in the box. Okay? You
Okay.
choose. Just choose. What animals do you like?
Like hamster.
Here, right here, right.
Okay.
Go, Kate.
Hamster. Hamster. Jellyfish. Shell.
It's okay to be wrong spelling. It's okay, ha? Teacher will just correct the spelling later. I'll just write the animals. 10. I need 10 animals.
Okay, I finished.
Okay, you're finished. Oh, very good. We have lizard. Okay, this lizard. Okay, panda. We have here panda. This one, number 6. Dolphin. Number 5. Very good. Donkey. Where's the donkey here? Oh, number 14. Very good, Kate. Okay, next. Jellyfish. Where's jellyfish?
Fly.
Oh, 12. Okay. Panda,
Back
6.
down.
Okay, 7 fly. Where's the fly? Number
4.
4. Very good. Lion.
Number
Number
8.
8.
8.
And 9. Monkey.
And dog.
Monkey is? Okay, where is monkey here? Okay, is there monkey? I haven't seen monkey. Okay, so we have dog. The dog is, where's the dog?
Here.
Where's the dog number?
15.
15. It's like a dog. It's actually this is polar bear. It's
Polar
polar bear.
bear.
Yeah, it's polar bear.
Polar bear.
Yeah,
Yes.
polar bear is color white. You
Polar
can find polar bear in the where?
Polar bear.
Okay, polar bear. Okay.
This.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that one. Polar bear. Okay, you can find polar bear in the cold countries. Okay, polar bear can be found in the cold countries. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. Oh, we have rabbit. You forgot rabbit.
Rabbit.
Okay, and
Yes.
yeah, we have zebra. This one.
Zebra.
Yeah, zebra. And penguin.
Penguin.
This one.
Penguin. Parrot.
Okay, and this snail. Okay. What animal do you like, Kate? What animal do you like?
I like the hamster
Hamster. Why do you like hamster? Why?
because it's very cute
It's very cute and
and self is
it's cute and soft
fun.
and cute and soft. Okay, next one. Okay. Are you afraid of? Are you afraid of?
Afraid of the lion.
Are
Lion.
you afraid of?
Lion.
Okay, you're afraid of what animals you're afraid of? What?
Lion. Lion
And
and polar bear.
polar bear. Okay, you are scared of polar bear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, which animals are beautiful? Okay, beautiful.
Is the penguin and rabbit.
Penguin and rabbit. How about the one which is ugly?
Ugly is the is the donkey and donkey donkey
Donkey. Okay. How about funny? What animal is funny?
is funny is lizard
Lizard.
and dolphin.
Okay. What animal is dangerous? What
Nature
animal is dangerous?
dangerous is Dangerous dangerous. What mean dangerous?
Dangerous, it means, okay, the one who will gonna harm you or the one who will gonna hurt you, like bite you, okay, like that. What animal is dangerous?
Is like
Like
mm,
lion.
lion.
Okay. Now, what animal is funny? Okay, we're done. Okay. Now, which part of crocodile can you see in the picture? Okay, example ha. This is the head and the nose. How about this? What part of crocodile is this?
Teeth. Tooth.
Teeth and the teeth and the
And
mouth.
face.
Oh, the face, the mouth. How about this one? It's a mouth or teeth.
Leg.
Number three, it's legs or foot.
Is
How about
toe. Toe.
it's
Toe.
tail? Okay. And number five,
Is egg.
it's egg.
Then.
Okay, now. Now, okay? Now, okay, you guess ha, this is a game. You have to guess yes or no. You write here ha, this example. Okay, example, no. Example, do crocodiles only live in rivers? Answer yes or no. You write yes or no
Yes.
in here in the answer box, ha? Yes or no, right? Yes or no. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, go. This is a game. Let us check if your answer is correct.
Yes.
Yes, here. You put here an answer. You put check and X. Okay.
Is the crocodile open their eyes
When they are swimming,
when they are swimming? Yes.
yes or no?
Yes. Can crocodile swim and walk? Swim and walk? No.
Hmm? Okay. Next, four. Do crocodiles have lots of teeth? Do crocodiles have lots of teeth?
Yes.
Do crocodile eat birds?
Bird. No. Mm. Is it safe to go
Okay.
swimming with a crocodile? No.
Okay. You write X or X. Okay. Is a baby crocodile inside its egg for 20 weeks?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, let us check your answer out. Let's check your answer. Okay, here, I will put it here. Okay. Crocodile eat fish, birds, and animals, and times they eat people too. They do not eat grass or plants. Oh, a crocodile has long body and a mouth and long tail. A crocodile has a short legs, but be careful because they can swim and they can run too. Oh, so this is Crocodiles can swim and walk? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, do crocodiles live in the river? Some crocodiles only live in the river. Correct? Very good. Okay. The crocodiles open their eyes when they are swimming. Did they open their eyes? Okay. So when crocodiles swim, they can see. Oh, their mouths are under the water, but their eyes are open. Oh, correct. Okay. So they open their eyes. Can crocodiles swim and walk? Yes, correct. Do crocodiles have lots of teeth? Do they have lots of teeth? Okay, yeah. They can 60 and 80 teeth. Oh, very good. They have lots of teeth. Okay, correct. Very good, very good.
Correct.
Okay, 555. Okay. Do crocodiles eat birds? Hmm?
The bird. Yes.
Okay, so where is it? Crocodiles are dangerous. Okay. Crocodile eat fish, birds, and animals. Yay! Oh, they eat
Mm.
birds. Okay. Is it safe to go swimming with a crocodile? No. Yes, you are correct.
No.
It's no. It is not safe to swim with a crocodile. Okay. Is a baby crocodile inside its egg for 20 weeks? Is it for 20 weeks? No. How many weeks? There are only 12, 12
Is
weeks.
is
12 weeks. Okay. Baby crocodile can only have 12 weeks. Okay.
yeah.
Next. Okay. Yay. Very good. You've got two mistakes. Oh, this one, this one. Let us guess. What kind of animal is this? Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. This one. Please answer. Oh, you look at the animals, huh? Here, the animals. Okay. Example
Okay.
number one, it's cat. Okay. You write the name of the animals. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right here. Okay.
Okay.
You look at the animals, the shadow of the animals, the shadow. Tell me, Kate, if you are done.
No. It's a way hungry. No. It's small, black, and yellow, and it can fly. It shall like me. Is the fly? Is away hungry. It is it bear. It sound like boat. It's very small and this is sound like house. Hmm? Mouse? Mouse is green and it jump very well. So, uh, it's- it drops. So, yeah. Okay. It sings. Okay.
Okay, done? Pas Jillian deh. Nag Okay? Dede. Dili ibasan ato pan ano. Ano tayo sagol sa pansit? Sagol sa pansit. Brana. Okay, finished? Okay, number one, number one. It's a small, black, and yellow. It can fly. It sounds like me. What's me? It is
One.
bee. It sounds of bee. Okay. It's always angry and it has a little beard. It sounds like a boat. What animals that sounds like a boat? Oh, akong ipaw ka. Okay ra? Oh, sige. It sounds like a boat. Isaksak, James. Ah, Isaksak sa, di. Okay, it is goat. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, it's a very small and it eats cheese. It sounds like house. Oh, very good. Yay! Mouse. Okay, next one. It's green and it jumps very well. It sounds like a dog. Ow, ow, ow. It sounds like a dog. It is?
Frog.
Oh, very good. Yeah, it's frog. Okay. Your answer is correct. Okay, next one. Okay. It eats grass. It sounds like now. What animals that eat grass?
The
It is?
donkey.
No, it's grass. Sounds like now. What animals that sounds now? Start with letter C. Start with letter C.
Is
K.
kangaroo.
It's cow. Okay, it's cow. Okay, now. Okay. It sings and sometimes lives in a cage. It sounds like a word. Sometimes it lives in a cage. It sounds like word. It is
The
bird. Okay, it lives in a
bird.
cage. Cage. Okay. It lives in a cage. Okay, next one. It lives in a sea. I'm frightened of it. It sounds like a park. Okay. It sounds like a park. It is
Shark.
dark. Very good. Okay. It has no legs. No legs. Makes a noise like what animal?
Snake.
Snake. Very good, but the spelling, there's a letter E.
E.
Snake. Okay. It's really big and it swims in the sea. It sounds like a tail. It is?
Donkey.
Oh, what's this? Sounds like a tail. Okay, I will erase. Okay, it sounds like a tail. Oh, it's whale. Oh, but I know it's dolphin. It's very big. Okay, this is whale and this is dolphin. The sound of a tail. Okay, it flies at night. It sounds like a pat. What flies at night? It flies out night. What is this? What is this? It sounds like a pat.
Is the
It is? It is?
is
This one. What animal is this?
donkey.
No. It is what animal? It is? It is
The
duck. B. B. Start with letter B. It starts with letter B.
oh polar.
It's bat. It is bat. Oh, this animal, it flies at nighttime only. During daytime, it sleeps. Okay, you understand? Ah, so this one.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, listen and write. Okay, please listen and write.
Okay.
Okay, we have questions.
Right.
Oh, with fancy monkeys, favorite animals, can ride on a, wants to buy a. Okay, listen, ha, listen. After teacher will ask.
2E. Animals, animals.
Animals
Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Grandma.
I'm at the zoo. Hello, Peter. Wow! Which zoo? I'm at World Zoo. You spell that W-O-R-L-D. World Zoo. It's great there. I know.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Who are you with? I'm here with Mum. So you're there with Mum. That's nice. Yes, I'm talking to you on her phone. Oh.
2.
Where are you now? We're by the cafe. What can you see? I'm looking at 5 monkeys. They've got really funny faces. 5 monkeys. I love monkeys. Me too.
3.
Are monkeys your favourite animals? No, they aren't. So which animals do you like best? The dolphins. They're very good at jumping. Yes, dolphins can swim very well too. I know, Grandma.
4.
You can ride some animals here. Which animals? You can ride a horse. It's really big. You can ride a horse there? Yes, Grandma. I'm not frightened of that.
5.
There's a shop here too. What can you buy there? Well, I want to buy a book. I'd like a new book. Good idea. Oh, Grandma! There's a penguin! It's standing by my foot! What? Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go now. Bye.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Oh, very good. Yeah, good job. Okay, so we have here. So we have.
5 minutes.
Okay, wait me a minute. Just wait me. I need to put the time.
What? Home.
Okay, so name of the zoo is World Zoo. Who with me? With Mom. Okay, very good. Can see what you can see? You can see
5
5
monkeys.
monkeys. And the favorite animals? It is?
Dolphin.
Yeah, it's dolphin, teacher. And you can ride on a horse.
Horse.
Want to buy a what?
Book.
A book. Oh, yeah, very good. Okay, okay. Now, what animals can you see in the picture? What animals you can see in the picture? What
I
animals?
can see the Two
can see the...
lions and penguin in a penguin.
Okay, is it lions or tiger? Is it lion or tiger? It's a...
lion.
Oh, it's a lion. You can see a lion. Okay, now.
And
Okay.
penguin.
Oh, and also about the fishes.
Fish.
There are many fishes. What the boy in the picture doing? Look at what the boy in the picture doing. What the boy?
Is called the iPhone.
Call the...
iPhone.
Call the phone. Okay, the boy call the phone in the picture.
Phone.
Yes. Okay. So it's what else again? Okay. So another one. Okay. How many trees can you see? Can you see trees in the picture? Can you see trees? Kate, can you see trees in the picture? Trees.
I can see the 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees.
Okay, there are 8 trees. Trees because many. 8 trees. Okay, now. Okay, so here. How many penguins can you see in the picture? How many penguins can you see in the picture?
One penguin in
One?
the picture.
One penguin. How many fishes can you see in the picture? Fishes.
In the picture.
Okay, there are 4? 4 only? 4 only? 4 only? 4? How many fishes? There are?
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a second.
Okay, there...
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Okay. There are 9 fishes in the picture. Okay. So this one, let us have another topic. Very good. Okay, wait ha. Okay, wait for teacher. Mali tan. It's mali. Okay. O kana mana deh.
Oh, balik lagi.
Balik je.
Ah,
Ram, kan sliding window. Makan na.
Nang lali isa pa siya.
Kailan ay, ang isa.
Okay.
Kailan, Jeff? Okay, wait me just a minute.
Kaya ayaw mo pabili ng kwarta ha. Yeah.
Dalo na sinsiyo eh.
Ha?
Dalon dyan bisag sinsilyo.
Okay, bibili na ninyo katong nabibili na ninyo. Kasi ito.
Okay, so this one, another topic. Oh, I will share to you another topic. Okay. Your hair looks great. Okay. Okay. Your hair looks great. Okay. Okay, we have the word. What's this? Oh, sorry. Where is it?
Must
Wait.
mustache.
Oh, wait.
Beard.
Oh,
Mustache.
yeah, wait ha. Oh, I will share it to you now. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so we have here. Okay. Fun for movers. Okay, we have the word. Oh, can you see this one?
Mustache.
Mustache. Next,
Mustache.
we have the word
Mustache.
Beard.
Beard.
beard. Okay, next
Beard.
one. We have the word.
Beard.
Okay,
Long.
long and
Short.
short. Okay, do you have short
Long.
hair? Oh, long hair. Short. Okay, and curly. Are you have curly? You're curly. No, you're straight. You have straight.
No. And straight hair.
Oh, I have straight hair. Again?
I have the straight
Oh, look at teacher.
hair.
Look at teacher. Teacher and
Teacher and
straight hair.
short hair and straight hair.
Okay, short hair and straight
Short.
hair. Okay, next one. Okay, this one.
Me is long and straight hair.
Oh, how about Kate?
Long
Kate
and
has
straight
a long and straight hair. Okay. Okay, so look at this Kate. Listen and check the box. What do you think is the answer? Okay? Okay, we have here.
4C. Your hair looks great. Listen and tick the box. 1. Which girl is Kim?
Look, Dad. Kim's playing football with the boys.
Is she the girl with long blonde hair?
No, Kim's got brown hair, and it's short, not long.
Oh, yes. I see her. Wow, she's good.
2. Which man is Mr. Scarf?
Excuse me, is that Mr. Scarf, the man with the beard?
Mr. Scarf hasn't got a beard, but he's got a moustache.
Oh, is that him, the man with fair hair?
Yes, that's right.
3. Which person is Jim's cousin?
Is that your brother, Jim? The boy who's standing next to your mum?
Yes, Mr. Cook. My hair is straight, but he's got curly brown hair.
And who's the boy with curly fair hair?
That's my cousin. His name's John.
4. Which boy is Paul's friend?
That's a good drawing, Paul. Is this you? The boy with the curly brown hair?
Yes, Miss Best. And my friend Nick is in my drawing too, but his hair is straight.
The boy who's wearing glasses. Is that him?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Which girl is Kim in the picture? Okay, it's letter C. Okay. Which man is Mr. Scarf? Which man is Mr. Scarf? Okay. Letter, what letter? Letter C. This one with the eyeglasses. Which person is Jim's cousin? Which person? It is letter B with curly hair. And which boy is Paul's friend? It is letter B. Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so Kate, tomorrow we will continue Unit 4. Or we will continue about hair. Let us see about hair. Okay, Kate? Kate.
Okay.
Oh, I will see you tomorrow. Hair. Oh, Teacher Anne has short hair. Okay? No. Long hair, but it's not that long. Okay? Okay, Kate? Okay. So, Kate, Teacher Anne will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, Kate.